Hi, my name is Coco331. This video is for Songbirddiva4life. Today I want to talk about the product that I use for my hair. They are called the macadamia product. Here. I use this product every day. The first one that I'm going to talk about is the rejuvenating shampoo that I use 3 to 5 days a week because I work out every day. And the next one is the deep repair mask. I use it whenever I shampoo my hair. I apply this. And the third one is the heat oil treatment. I apply this every day. The reason why I love this product, they are not harsh for my hair, and the other thing is they are sulfate free, paraben free, and color safe. I've been using this product for about a year and I'm loving them. You can buy this product at Ulta or maybe online. Yeah, but I don't know about Sephora. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.